This is the world's safest motorcycle jacket, and it's got something special inside it. It also has an airbag. That's right, this thing's got an airbag inside that deploys when you get in an accident. But how does it work? And more importantly, will it actually save your life? Well, today, we're crashing this motorcycle into the side of the Cabrio to find out. Break! Help! Oh no! Shut it off! Dude, this is my worst nightmare. This is my fully custom $8,000 Dainese race suit, and inside of it is their D-Air airbag technology. Inside the suit, there are 3 gyroscopes, 3 accelerometers, and a GPS unit that can detect when you're about to crash, inflating the bag before you hit the ground. Now, this D-Air technology has been developed with MotoGP riders in mind, and those guys know a thing or two when it comes to crashing.
This collarbone broke like, I broke it like 6 times.
Oh, really?
Something like that, yes. This is the most fragile part.
Okay.
And if without the airbag, there is nothing that protects the neck.
I crashed many times without airbag.
Without it.
I crashed in Brno. The data after the crash said that I touched the ground at 350 per hour.
I mean, if you tell me now, we take away the airbag from your leather suit, I said, wow, I don't know if I go.
But here's the thing, tracks have runoff areas and ambulances on site. In reality, the majority of danger when you're riding isn't on the track, but rather on the streets. So what Dainese has done is take the same tech from the racing suit and package it for street riders, like in a vest, which I have under my sweatshirt, and also in a street jacket, which is perfect for us because today we're gonna put one of these on our test dummy and crash them into the side of our Cabrio.
But before we do that, let's see how this jacket works with our lead donut dummy,
Jimmy.
I woke up with a sore throat today. I said I shouldn't go into the office. I'm here.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
You gotta remember, you love your job.
I love my job. I love my job.
That's so dumb.
Oh, it feels like just cardboard compressing you.
So we set these bags off with a controller. But how does this jacket know not to inflate and go off prematurely? Like when you're getting tackled while wearing it in the office.
I'm not even wearing the jacket, stupid.
Now, the jacket works by using an electronic control unit that detects and analyzes data from the accelerometers and gyroscopes at 1,000 times per second. It's looking at that data and running it through an algorithm that's been optimized with previous crash data. And if the inputs being received pass a certain threshold, boom, the airbags deploy. Now, Dainese has been working on this technology for 25 years, so the algorithm it uses has loads of data from previous crashes and is getting updated all the time with new crash scenarios.
Oh yeah, the last suit I'll ever put on.
Dude, relax, Job.
So the ECU has detected you're in a crash. The airbag inflates, deploying 4 liters of argon gas, which takes all of 45 milliseconds. To put that in perspective, it takes 150 milliseconds to blink. It's 3 times faster than blinking your eyes.
Most airbags, like the ones you might find in a car, are made of a nylon woven material that gets inflated at about 1/20th of a second. The problem with airbags in cars is that they're only really designed to cushion the impact of your head, letting the car's other safety features like the seatbelts and the crumple zones protect the rest of your body. A squishy airbag can't protect you when you're flying off a motorcycle at 30 miles an hour. That's why these bags have millions of microfilaments connecting the 2 ends of the bag. These microfilaments keep the bag from deforming, creating what Dainese calls a shield around your body.
Now, what sets these airbags apart from traditional protective gear is how much less force gets transferred to your body during an impact. So let's say for 50 joules of impact energy, Dainese's airbag reduces the transferred force by 85%. So a force that would normally break a bone, now only bruises them.
Got it!
So this bag seems pretty strong, but I want to know, how strong is it really?
All right, so there are 4 chairs behind us, each of which has an airbag on it, and only one of them is rigged to blow. So we're gonna play a little game of musical chairs, and whoever gets unlucky is gonna apparently get lifted into the air.
It's gonna be me.
I'm concerned.
It's gonna be me.
Of course.
Was I the only one concerned about my?
How'd it feel, Jimmy?
Okay, so we know these bags are strong, but can they save you in a real life motorcycle accident?
Well, we wanted to find out, so we built a fully remote-controlled pit bike a few weeks ago. The plan was to test our RC system, so on the day, we could strap our dummy to the bike and steer it into the side of a car. This would simulate a crash scenario that we're interested in, but testing didn't go so well.
Can you tell how good I feel about this? Okay, so last time we saw this bike, we ran into a tire wall at 30 miles an hour. So we got some damage to our frame right here. So what we're gonna do is try to pull the frame back out. We got high truck and its winch cable right here. We got our Changley support vehicle. We're gonna pull it, get that bend right on out.
And it'll be good as new.
Stop! Stop! Now you smashed the fender into the tire, you freaking idiot. Oh, that's good.
For an RC bike?
It's gonna get crashed again.
Yeah.
Then we made a beefier steering system with an improved motor, and Joby re-welded our rear support bar. With our RC Walmart motorcycle finished, we're now ready to send our mini bike to motorcycle heaven at our test site.
This is by far the most nervous I've been on a shoe.
Help! Help!
Oh no! Shut it off! Oh my God.
The basketball playoffs are officially here, and whether you're a diehard or just watching for fun, the tournament gets even better with today's sponsor, DraftKings Sportsbook. DraftKings is offering all new customers $150 in bonus bets if their pregame moneyline wager of $5 wins. You heard me, bet $5 on any pregame moneyline wager, and if the bet wins, you'll get $150 in bonus bets. You could even use those bonus bets on DraftKings same game parlays. It lets you combine multiple bets from the same game into one big bet for a shot at even bigger winnings. Plus, DraftKings has a ton of ways to make watching sports more fun. So if mobile sports betting is not yet available in your state, you can still join the action with the DraftKings Daily Fantasy. Make the tournament even more exciting by downloading the DraftKings Sportsbook app now. New customers use promo code DONUT, bet $5 on any pregame moneyline wager, and get $150 in bonus bets if your bet wins. That's promo code DONUT, only at DraftKings Sportsbook. Ugh.
Hey, you hit my car, didn't you?
No, we're just moving the hoop because we like the lighting down here better.
You hit it, right?
No.
Do you want to admit it?
What are you talking about? Well, it looks like in the process of getting this sweet bike over to our testing site, the horn coming off the servo, which is meant for an RC car, bent.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, Josh, she's looking good.
Yeah.
Now, the most common motorcycle crash scenario is when you're riding down the street, someone pulls out in front of you, and you T-bone them, which is the exact scenario we're testing today.
But we gotta send this thing, you gotta stripe it right into the side of the car. The lake behind us has really made up the stakes during today's shoot. There's a bunch of expensive cars over here to the right, which we could potentially hit. This is by far the most nervous I've been on a shoot.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why I'm so nervous.
Okay, well, hey, no pressure, no promises.
Yeah. No, we're gonna need you to do it. All right, Joby, send it! Help, help! There's a bunch of expensive cars over here to the right,
Which we could potentially hit.
Oh no! Shut it off! Oh, dude, this is my worst nightmare.
It didn't go well. I was standing here this morning saying if I could have any car in this parking lot, it would be this one. And of course.
Oh no!
Well, he fell off like immediately and just pulled the bike hard right. Did the bags blow?
Yeah.
Did it?
Dude, look at this. Oh no, dude. It smacked it good. All right, Joby, let's try it one more time. If it doesn't work this time, we'll come up with a new game plan.
Okay, this time I'm going for the Mustang.
You striped it, dude.
Bullseye, baby.
Yeah. Look at that. Saved this guy's life.
Oh, dude. Here we go. Whoa! Dude, before it even gets to the car. Heck yes. Well, okay, that worked out better than the first time around.
Yeah.
Another common crash scenario is when you're stopped on your bike at a red light and a car runs right into the back of you. So let's run that test. But first, let's see what happens to our dummy when he's not wearing an airbag jacket.
So Adam's gonna be our driver when he runs the Previa into the back of the bike right here.
It can't go as bad as what I did.
I mean,
Don't jinx it. Dude, Adam, you don't need to go that far back.
The Previa is tall enough. I think it's gonna just run over the bike.
Oh, hold on, is he going? Oh my God, already? He is 100% dead. He got smacked so hard. Oh no.
Dude, turn it off, blur it, blur it, blur it.
Okay, now let's do it when he has a vest on.
Okay, well,
Hold on. Should we have a blast shield?
too late.
Quick.
It did not run over the bike. That's great. Smashed his ass. All right, he's drowning. The suit might have saved him, but now he's drowning. Come on, buddy. Oh, he's alive.
oh my God, I'm so sorry.
He's alive. It's okay.
It's okay.
He's wearing an airbag suit.
So now that we've seen both crashes, can this suit save your life? Well, let's take a look. Up first is the naked test. As you can see, the Previa makes short work of Coleman. His back crumples against the bumper, which pulls the rest of him back. Then the back of his head smashes against the car, meaning that if this were a real guy, he would be dead. But if we look at the Dainese vest test, you can see the airbag deploys and repels Coleman away from the Previa. On top of protecting his torso, the airbag system straightens his body and keeps his head from taking any serious hits on the car. So Coleman would be really sore, but probably alive.
All right, I think our vest saved Coleman.
Yes.
That's very good. Thank you guys so much for watching this and everything else at Donut. Follow us on Donut Media. Follow Zach at Zach Job. Follow me at Jeremiah Burton. And also, thanks to Dainese for providing us with all of these bags, so show them some love. Thank you. And it's got something special inside it. Me. Oh, do I have to do this?
Yeah, you do.